Welcome to Hisar, guys. This place is a wild mix of the ancient and the cutting edge. We're talking centuries-old history bumping shoulders with modern industry in a city that never backs down from a challenge. Join me as we navigate the heart of Haryana, India. We're about to uncover what makes Hisar a survivor, a city that's weathered storms of change and emerged stronger for it. So pack your curiosity and get ready to explore, because Hisar is waiting.
All right, we're going deep into the history of Hisar, a place steeped in stories that go back further than most. This city is not just a dot on the map, it's a living, breathing chronicle of human endeavor and resilience. This land remembers the whispers of the Mahabharata, where legends were born and heroes walked the earth. An epic tale that's practically woven into the fabric of India, making Hisar a significant chapter in our ancient texts. But it's not just ancient legends. We're talking about rulers like Firuz Shah Tughlaq, a name that echoes through time. His vision and leadership transformed Hisar into a thriving hub of culture and commerce. Imagine, back in the 14th century, this visionary leader saw the potential of Hisar, the strategic importance, the spirit of its people. He envisioned a city that would stand the test of time. He didn't just conquer, he built, leaving behind a legacy etched in stone. His architectural marvels still stand today, a testament to his enduring influence. We're talking about a fort that's seen it all: battles, celebrations, the rise and fall of dynasties. This fort is not just a structure, it's a silent witness to centuries of history. These walls have absorbed centuries of history, and trust me, they've got stories to tell. Every brick, every stone has a tale of its own. And it wasn't just rulers. This was a crossroads, a meeting point for traders, travelers, and scholars, all leaving their mark on the city's soul. Hisar was a melting pot of ideas and cultures. That's the thing about history. It's not just dates in a book, it's the foundation on which everything else is built. It's the bedrock of our present and the blueprint for our future.
Picture this, we're in the heart of North India, about 160 kilometers west of Delhi, a city that practically hums with activity. That's where you'll find Hisar, strategically placed and ready for anything. Think of it as a gateway, connecting the bustling capital to the rest of this vibrant region. We're talking roads, railways, all arteries pumping lifeblood into Hisar, making it a vital hub for commerce and culture. But this land isn't for the faint of heart. We're talking extreme, scorching summers that test your limits and winters that demand resilience. It's a cycle that's shaped the people here, instilled in them a certain grit, a determination that you can't find just anywhere. But through it all, Hisar stands strong, its roots digging deep into the fertile soil of Haryana. This land, it remembers the sweat of generations, the farmers who've coaxed life from the earth for centuries.
Don't let the historical backdrop fool you. Hisar's not stuck in the past. This is a city that knows how to adapt, to evolve and thrive. And nowhere is that clearer than in its dynamic economy. We're talking an agricultural powerhouse. Think fields stretching as far as the eye can see, bursting with cotton, wheat, sugarcane, the lifeblood of this region. These aren't just crops. They're a testament to generations of farmers who've poured their hearts into the land. But Hisar isn't content with just feeding the nation. This city's got ambition. We're talking a surge of industries, textiles, manufacturing, even scientific equipment, all signs of a place determined to make its mark. And the engine driving this growth? Education and innovation. Institutions like Hisar Agricultural University and the National Dairy Research Institute, these are the crucibles where the future is being forged and shaped.
We're going beyond the bricks and mortar now, venturing into the heart of Hisar's cultural identity. This is where the city truly comes alive, where centuries of tradition blend with modern influences. Imagine the aroma of spices filling the air as you wander through bustling markets. The vibrant colors of traditional clothing, the rhythmic beat of folk music. It's a sensory overload that captures the essence of Hisar. Look closer, and you'll see the legacy of the Sultanate period woven into the very fabric of the city. Intricate carvings on ancient mosques, whispers of stories echoing through the courtyards of Havelis, each detail a brushstroke in Hisar's cultural canvas. But it's not just about preserving the past, it's about celebrating it. Think vibrant festivals that erupt throughout the year, each one a kaleidoscope of music, dance, and communal feasting. And then there's the food. We're talking hearty, flavorful dishes that tell the story of the land and its people.
Get ready to step back in time, because Hisar's landscape is littered with architectural wonders that whisper tales of bygone eras. These aren't just buildings, they're monuments to history, each one with a story to tell. Our first stop takes us to the Firuz Shah Palace and Fort, a sprawling complex that stands as a testament to the city's medieval grandeur. Imagine walking through its imposing gateways, feeling the weight of centuries pressing down on you. The air here is thick with history, with the echoes of rulers and warriors who once walked these very halls. But Hisar's story isn't just one of emperors and conquests. The Shahid Smarak War Memorial stands as a poignant reminder of the sacrifices made for freedom. It's a place of solemn reflection, a testament to the courage and resilience of the human spirit. Then there's the Raja Nahar Singh Palace, an architectural gem that transports you back to the days of princely states and royal intrigue. Its ornate facades and intricate details speak of a bygone era of opulence and artistry. As you wander through Hisar, you'll find that the city is a living museum, where every corner has a story to tell. The bustling market streets are filled with the aroma of local cuisine and the vibrant colors of traditional crafts. Local artisans continue to practice age-old crafts, keeping the heritage alive. Their work is a testament to the city's enduring spirit and cultural richness. As the sun sets over Hisar, the silhouette of its historic buildings creates a mesmerizing skyline, reminding us of the timeless beauty and historical significance of this incredible city.
Hisar might be steeped in history, but it's certainly not isolated. This is a city plugged into the pulse of modern India, a vital hub connecting people and places. Think of it as a crossroads, with roads and railways radiating outwards, linking Hisar to major cities like Delhi and Chandigarh. It's this accessibility that's fueled the city's growth, making it a magnet for trade, tourism, and opportunity. Imagine hopping on a train, the rhythmic clatter of the tracks a soundtrack to your journey as you speed towards your destination. Or picture yourself cruising along well-maintained highways, the landscape blurring past as you connect with other parts of this vibrant region. But it's not just about long-distance travel. Hisar's internal transport network is equally impressive. Local buses weave through the city streets, providing an affordable and efficient way to navigate the urban sprawl. And for those who prefer a more personal touch, auto rickshaws are always on hand, their drivers ready to whisk you away to your destination.
We're diving into the heart of Hisar now, meeting the people who make this city pulse with life. This city is not just a place on the map, it's a living, breathing entity, thanks to its vibrant and diverse population. We're talking about a diverse tapestry of communities, each contributing to the vibrant cultural mosaic that is Hisar. From the bustling markets to the quiet corners of the city, every interaction tells a story of unity in diversity. With a population teetering between 300,000 to 400,000, Hisar is a melting pot of cultures, traditions, and dreams. It's a place where ancient traditions meet modern aspirations, creating a unique blend that is both fascinating and inspiring. Walk its streets and you'll hear a symphony of languages, a testament to the city's welcoming embrace. The streets are alive with the sounds of daily life, from the calls of street vendors to the chatter of friends meeting. The majority of Hisar's residents identify as Hindu or Muslim, their faiths interwoven into the fabric of daily life. These religious practices are not just rituals, they are a way of life, influencing everything from festivals to daily routines. It's a testament to the city's spirit of tolerance and coexistence, where different beliefs are respected and celebrated. This spirit of mutual respect and understanding is what makes Hisar truly special. But it's not just about religious diversity. Hisar is a place where people from all walks of life converge. From shopkeepers to professionals, everyone plays a role in the city's dynamic ecosystem. Farmers, entrepreneurs, students, artists, each group contributes to the city's unique rhythm, its dynamic energy. Their efforts and passions are the driving force behind Hisar's continuous growth and evolution. This is the beauty of Hisar, its people. Their smiles, their stories, their daily lives are what make this city truly remarkable. They're the heart and soul of this city, their resilience, their warmth, their unwavering spirit shaping its identity just as much as its history or its architecture. It's the people who breathe life into the city, making it a place of endless possibilities and boundless energy.
So there you have it, guys. We've trekked through history, navigated bustling markets and felt the pulse of a city that never stands still. Hisar isn't just a dot on the map. It's a testament to human resilience, a place where the past fuels the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Hisar. We hope you enjoyed discovering the historical and modern facets of this fascinating city. Remember, adventure is out there for those who seek it. Until then, stay curious and never stop exploring.